Aging is not the problem. Losing connection with your body is. That's why most people over 45, they feel stiff, sore, frustrated, even though they're doing all the right things. My membership program is for people who want long-term mobility, less daily stiffness, and clearer explanations instead of confusing advice. Within the channel, you'll get weekly live Q&As that will answer all of your questions, exclusive tutorial videos that will dive deep into each individual stretch so that you clearly know what you're doing, and real guidance with live demonstrations that I can take it one at a time and really show you how to get the most out of the stretch and release technique. If you want to move better for decades and not just get through your workouts, then this is a channel for you. So go down below in the description, click the Join Now button, and join up to the membership. And let's get started today, not only making you feel great, but helping you live more pain-free.